Crafting the perfect pizza requires passion and the finest, freshest ingredients. Precision heat for a perfectly golden crust. Experience absolute pizza perfection. Perfectly baked single time. Enjoy the ultimate pizza night at home. Upgrade your cooking to a luxury experience. Golden, crispy perfection every time. Discover the magic of the KINGWISE oven.
Melts perfectly every time.
Experience the gold standard with KINGWISE.
Have you ever wished you could make restaurant-style pizza at home without installing a large outdoor pizza oven? The KINGWISE Convection Pizza Oven brings high-temperature cooking to your kitchen, making it easy to prepare crispy, delicious pizza whenever you want. One of its biggest highlights is its ability to reach temperatures of up to 750 degrees Fahrenheit. That intense heat helps create a crispy crust, perfectly melted cheese, and evenly cooked toppings in much less time than a conventional oven. It also fits pizzas up to 13 inches and includes a pizza stone and pizza peel, so you can start making homemade pizza right away.
But this appliance isn't just for pizza. It also works as an air fryer, convection oven, and countertop oven for baking, roasting, broiling, and reheating. Whether you're cooking chicken wings, French fries, vegetables, cookies, or garlic bread, the convection fan helps circulate hot air for even cooking and crispy results. The controls are simple to use, making it easy to choose cooking modes and temperatures. The compact countertop design saves space while still offering enough room for family-sized meals. Its modern appearance also looks great in almost any kitchen. If you enjoy hosting pizza nights, family dinners, or simply experimenting with homemade recipes, this oven gives...
Overall, the KINGWISE Convection Pizza Oven is a versatile kitchen appliance for anyone who loves homemade pizza and wants the convenience of multiple cooking functions in one machine. If you'd like to check today's price or learn more, you'll find the affiliate link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more reviews of the best kitchen gadgets and Amazon finds.